In this video I will show you how to compress PDF file size online and offline method easily in 2023. Online method. See, I compressed this PDF file size. See, the file size 111 MB. See, the PDF document looks very good. Go to your browser, type compress PDF, then go to www.ilovepdf.com. Upload your PDF file, then click Compress PDF. It takes few minutes to upload and compress PDF file. See, file compressed 69%, now file size 35 MB. C2 file is here, after compressing no quality loss. Offline method. See, I compressed this PDF file, see the file size 15 MB. Open your PDF file Adobe Acrobat, click Save as Others, then Reduced Size PDF, then click OK. See, file compress, now file size 4.60 MB. That's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.